So it's Easter 2020. I'm here with Tessa. And guess who we got? Alright. Fishing. I guess I should throw my fishing right in. It's Charlie, our resident birdie. Trying to fish a little. See my little grajenka. He's actually... Hey Charlie, are you gonna catch some fish today? He's actually scheming. Let's see if he gets any fish. Charlie, come on. Uh-oh, he's gonna swim or he's gonna... Uh-oh, oh, you got a fish! You got a fish! That's how you got a fish! Look, he just ate her! Wow. Guess he's better than me. I think he just got a fish. Alright, I guess we got what we wanted on tape, so good luck. Happy Easter, everybody. He's having a good Easter. It's kind of nice outside, so enjoy, everybody.